Growing up with my brothers, Mario and Valentino, we developed a love for soccer that grew more than I could have ever imagined. We were known as the Scicluna Brothers. Mario, Tino, and myself actually experimented with breakdancing, and we ended up becoming some of the first breakdancers that swept across Detroit. And we had to take this b-boy soccer breakdance style and turn it into an art form we call Waza. Soccer has been in our family for years and years. Our family brought the game over from the island of Malta. Our Uncle Paul Scicluna was one of the owners of the Detroit Rockers. I've been very fortunate to have traveled all around the world studying, developing, and playing soccer, which is the sport that I love more than anything in the world. I always come back to my roots, which is Detroit, the Motor City. Now, I know a bunch of you out there have your preset judgments on what Detroit is based on what you hear through the media all the time. But I want you to know something, that Detroit is a blue-collar, hard-working, passionate group of creative guys that scrap, work, grind, and do exactly what it takes to actually get the win. You guys need to understand what Waza means, which Waza in the Japanese language, it means technique. And in Swahili, it means to think clearly. Now, we have this quest to be champions in this MASL. And we have to face teams like Baltimore, Rochester, St. Louis, Chicago. Now, we know that there's some teams that are supposed to be better teams than ourselves. You know, there's other owners that have twice, 3, 4 times the amount of money that we have. We've been the underdog in this role almost the entire time we've been in this league. All you adversaries out there are the very thing that we need to actually rise to this championship. Detroit has all these different sports, but now we have this professional arena soccer team. It's the Detroit Waza Flow. And me and Coach Deku, Coach Miracle, and all the fellas have decided to make this huge commitment and put our heart, mind, and body and soul to help bring championship to Detroit and make these fans proud of this city that we belong to.
Dominic Scicluna, Michael Gerba, Victor Otieno, Costa Deku. Come see your Detroit Waza in action as they make another playoff run. Don't miss out on any of the fast-paced pro arena soccer action. For season or single game tickets, go to DetroitWaza.com.